Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing my birthday nails. So I'm starting off by pushing back my cuticles, and I'm doing this because I don't want my nails to lift. If you're new to my channel and you enjoy watching beauty and lifestyle content, then be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you're not new, then welcome back to another video. So right now I'm just pushing back my cuticles gently and just prepping, no prepping. And then now I'm gonna take this little small cuticle, I think it's a cuticle gel bit, but I'm just taking this little gel bit and using it to clean up around my cuticle area. This drill bit wasn't working in my favor, so I did switch to another drill bit that I got from Family Dollar, and this is what it looks like. I find that this works a little better because I guess it's more rounded and pointy, and I used it before and it worked, so I'm just using this to clean up around my cuticle area. So now I'm gonna be using a fine sanding band to remove the shine from my nails and stuff. And I only did one hand because I ran out of powder, and I didn't have no backup powder, so I only did one hand on camera. This was my first time doing this on myself, and it was a little difficult, but hopefully next time I do it, it will turn out even better. So now I'm gonna be using this 100-180 hand file, and I got this from Amazon, and I got 10 in a pack. And I'm gonna be using this to shape the free edge of my nail. So now I'm gonna be using these nail tips that I got from Amazon, and I'm actually using the clear tips, and I'm using the Kiss nail glue. And right now I'm just sizing out my nails and making sure they are sidewall to sidewall. And I'm gonna glue it on, and the nail shape that I was going for is coffin. So I'm gonna do a small coffin, and this is what my nails look like. So it was difficult to record me cutting the nails and shaping the nails on camera, so I just did it off camera. Now I'm using the Mia Secret nail primer, and I'm gonna apply this on my natural nail only. So I ran out of the Mia Secret powder that I was using, so now I'm using the Kiss powder in the Mia Secret liquid monomer. And I'm still using the brush that I bought from Amazon, and this brush works really perfect, really good. I still am practicing on my liquid to powder ratio, and I feel like that was a little difficult throughout the whole process because to do my whole hand, it was difficult because I didn't have the correct liquid to powder ratio, I guess, but I'm still practicing and working on it, and I'm gonna get better at it. But yep, that's all I'm doing right now. It is like just building up the nail basically. Also, I do apologize if I'm not in the frame. It's actually like type kind of hard to like record nail videos and like try to do two things at once. Try to like be in the frame, so I do apologize. So like I said, I didn't have enough of powder, so I couldn't really do much, and I couldn't build the apex as much as I wanted to. But this is what my nails look like, and now I'm just like reshaping it into like a coffin shape, because when I was applying the acrylic it got like out of shape, so now I'm just trying to reshape it. So now I'm using a coarse drill bit, and I'm just like going over the nail and like trying to file it and like file it down. I'm using a buffer to just buff out the nail and like smooth it out so it could be smooth. So I painted my nails and did the nail art off camera because I was getting frustrated. But this is what my nails look like, and this is the finished results. I wanted to do like a French V like tip at the end of the pink, but it's whatever. But this is what it looks like. like, I do like it, it's true or whatever. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my latest video. And follow me on my social media. And I will see you guys in my next video.